A one, a two, a 1, 2, 3, and hey guys, it's me, Jason J. Daniel. You can follow me on Twitter at Jason J. Daniel. You can follow me on Instagram at Jason J. Daniel and Jason J. Daniel Hair, and my new account, Jason J. Daniel Inspires, if you want some motivational stuff. But today I want to talk about a really fun idea I came up with. You guys know I'm really terrible with my gloves. I'm a colorist. My gloves either break, I buy cheap ones. I don't like to wash them. I like to, I don't like to recycle them. But look at my hands. Last night I used level 4s, 5, and 6. Now look at this, dark, right? So I always have troubles and struggles getting the color off my hands. Nobody thinks it's cool, all right? It's not epic. I'm trying to eat dinner with people. They're getting totally disgusted. I go out with people, meet new people. They're looking down at my nails. They're trying to focus on me, but they can't because they're like, what is going on with your nails? I know, right? Now, if you're like me, you're a disaster when it comes to your color on your nails in the salon. So what I decided to do is I decided to go to the auto parts store, right? And back in the day, I had this idea. Back in the day, I used to bust tires and change oil. And it occurred to me this morning, because I was looking at my nails again, I was like, what is going on? It occurred to me this morning that back in the day when I was younger and I busted tires, in the back room, after every time we worked on the cars, we had some goo it smelled like oranges. You could wipe it on your hands. Guys, you know what I'm talking about if you've worked on cars. And boom, magic. Sometimes you didn't even have to wash it. It would eat up all the oil. So I thought, well, maybe, because I've tried everything to clean my nails and my hands, I thought maybe I can go to the auto parts store today and find something like that to help me. So I grabbed a product called Fast Orange. It's a hand cleaner. It is supposed to work wonders on hands that have oil and color and things like that on it. I haven't used it before. As you can see, I just opened the package. I got a free package of shop towels, right? So I'm gonna do this live. Well, this is pre-recorded, but I'm gonna do it right now for the first time. I'm gonna open it up and demonstrate it. And I'm gonna see if this works to clean up my hands and how fast we can do it, okay? All right, so let me put this down right here. Open this up. All right, this is called a Scott Shop Original Multi-Purpose Towels. It absorbs grease and oil. Strong works even when wet, it says. Look at that guy, he's all pumped up. Look at that. Look at that man right there. It's kind of like me, don't we look alike, right? Look at that, look at that. Blue, look at that, look at the pose. Yellow, look at that, okay. All right, so let's pull this. All right, okay, so, what, okay. All right, so I got my shop towel here. I'm gonna put it on my lap. Put it on my lap right here. See me? Okay. Put it on my lap. I'm gonna open some of this up. Smells like oranges. Can you smell that? Okay. All right, it's biodegradable, non-toxic, removes stains. Okay. It says rub hand cleaner onto dry hands. Do not use water and dirt and grease will be dissolved. And then it says wipe or dry or rinse with water. Okay, here we go. Okay, look at that. All right, let's see here. Ooh, it's got a pumice feeling. Let's see, is it coming off? I don't know, this has been overnight. My hands are really stained. My hands are just hella stained. Let's see. All right, I'm supposed to rub this till it comes off. I don't know, man. I don't know, this could be a total epic fail. This could be the most epic fail of an idea I've ever had. This is not oil, this is permanent color. Let's see here. Not coming off. Not coming off, got epic fail. Epic fail, look at this. Oh, wait a second, I don't know. Looks like there's a little bit of a difference. Put some friction on it. It's got a pumicey feeling. Smells like oranges. Okay, all right, a little bit. It's actually, it's making, it's making a little bit of progress. All right, let's get some more. Let's apply more. A bunch more. This smells like in the good old days when I worked on cars. Yeah, believe it or not, I did work on cars. I could change your tire, baby. And I can change your oil. I know, having too much fun. All right, man. If you're still watching it, oh, look at that. That little spots come off. If you're still watching this, I gotta hand it to you. You're getting the business from me here. Look at this. Yeah, this is not working. I mean, it kind of is. It kind of is. All right, this could be an epic fail video. I think I'm gonna call this an epic fail. Well, not too epic. Look at that. You know, probably I should try it again right after my nails get dark or after the glove breaks. But at this point, I think it's made a little bit of a difference. All right, a little, yeah, we can see it. I bet you could see a little bit of a difference. I'm gonna continue to work on this, working on the nails. Why don't we do this? I will, hear that? I am scrubbing the hell out of my hands here. And it is working a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this product to the salon with me, and I am going to, yeah, it actually is making a pretty decent difference, if you can see that. It's been about 2 minutes, and I'm not feeling like, there's like a pumice, you can see that little pumicey texture right there. I'm not scrubbing my hands too hard to where it feels like the skin's coming off or anything. This hand looks a lot better. Oh, it's, whoa, whoa, there's some improvements right there. Look at that thumb is really, really dark right there, dark thumb. There are some improvements, looking a little more red and not so, it's actually doing its job. This video is right at about 7 minutes almost. I've been doing this for about 3 minutes. If you're still watching this, you are awesome. I love you. You must love me. All right. All right, so we're getting around 7 minutes. I'm gonna continue to do this for another half of a minute or maybe less. All right, coming off right there. And I feel a little better. It's not perfect, but it is making a difference. So I think I'm gonna keep this. It was only like $3.50, and the shop towels came free. So there's a shop towel, but pull up a shop towel. Let's wipe it down, you guys. Feels a little pumicey. You can kind of see the granules, but it made a difference. It actually made a really solid difference. Not as bad. The nail's still dark, which is kind of my trademark. You guys see it on my pictures all the time. Made a difference. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash them, put a little warm water on them and wash them, get that pumice stuff off. And I don't think it's gonna make a total difference. I think this is what you're gonna get. But I don't have a before, but here's the after. Not too bad. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is next time I have some stuff on my hands, color, I'm going to set up the phone and do it at the salon right there, right after it gets on my hands. And let's see if it makes a difference. But actually, I think the nails look a little better. Look at that. So if I do this again, probably later tomorrow, I only do, my hands do feel a little rubbed out. So I only want to do it maybe once a day until cleaned up. But if I don't, if I just do regular soap and water, it takes like 2 to 3, 4 days sometimes. And then by then I'm recoloring them because I'm terrible at this. But guys, thanks for watching my IGTV video. I did it just for you. Hopefully you enjoy it. So here's the product again. If you want to know what it is, it's called Fast Orange. It is non-toxic, and I'm going to keep it in my area at the salon in case my gloves break or I get color on my hands again. If you're like me, maybe you want to give this a try or something else at the auto parts store that removes oil. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.